thumbnails, should we change them after we've uploaded a video? I see a lot of conflicting arguments for this, and I'm just going to talk from my experiences through doing it. I've tried changing thumbnails on videos that have been a few weeks old, a month old, 2 months old, and I've not seen any benefit from it whatsoever. I've not seen any pickup in views or anything like that as yet. But on my other channel, I had a video that I uploaded a couple of days ago, and after about 40 minutes I knew something wasn't quite right with that video. It was ranking about, I think it was ranking number 10 at the time on my best performing videos in the last 10, and it was ranked number 10. And I looked at the CTR and it was down at 5%, which for my videos and my channels is very, very strange, especially on that channel, because normally in the first couple of hours it's normally hovering around 12 to 16% CTR, because it initially goes out to your subscribers. So when I noticed that was hovering around 5%, I made a decision that I was going to change the thumbnail. So after about 45 minutes, I quickly knocked up a new thumbnail and uploaded that thumbnail. Checked after about an hour and 15 minutes after upload, and the CTR had risen to about 7%. So I thought, that's good, that's going in the right direction. But I still wasn't getting many impressions. So I decided to tweak the title as well. And just before I went to bed, I checked, and it was ranked at 9 or 10. The CTR was still hovering around the 7% mark, so it's holding there, which isn't a bad CTR, to be fair. But I didn't think much of it. Woke up the next day, still ranked 8, I think 8 or 9. Still wasn't doing a lot. But then throughout that day, the views just started coming in on that, to the point where after 24 hours after upload, it was ranking at number 2. And similar for the next 24 hours. Still ranked at number 2 because my number 1's quite a way off ahead. But it got me thinking, was it the change of thumbnail and title, especially the thumbnail, that gave that a boost, that got that to gain a little bit of traction? Because I wonder if I didn't change anything, whether that would have just slowly fizzled out, that video. And I've done a similar thing on this channel. It's a bit different because I don't get as many views, obviously, on this channel. It's hard to see if it has made an impact at all. But I think it was my last video on this channel. After a few hours, it had a CTR of 1.6%. So I changed the thumbnail, and after over a few hours, it gradually creeped up to about 3%, 2.93%. So part of me thinks that worked as well. I hear a lot of advice saying you shouldn't change a thumbnail within 24 to 48 hours. But my advice from what I've learned and what I've experienced is, if you think your video is not performing how it should, and you think the thumbnail may be a part of that, I would change it. The sooner the better, really. Like I said, I done it after about 45 minutes. And that's taught me also, I think in future, if I get a chance, I think I'm going to design 2 thumbnails at a time. Obviously upload the one I think's the better one, but have one waiting in reserve. So if I ever need to do something similar, it's just a few clicks of a button and then it's done. Rather than doing what I was doing, rushing around trying to quickly design a thumbnail, bodging one together, probably not making a great job of it, and uploading it. Obviously seemed to work that time. It is interesting to see if that was the reason that video started to gain a little bit of traction. Because like I said, it was dead in the water going in sort of like the 12-hour mark, but then sort of like between 12 and 24, it just really picked up that day. So from what I know, my advice, guys, would be just change your thumbnail if you think it needs changing. If you're not fussed about views or anything like that and you're just doing it as a hobby, then just carry on what you want. But if you're wanting to gain some traction in videos, get some views, boost you up towards monetization, or even if you're already monetized, you just want to try and gain a few more views, if you think a thumbnail's not working, change it. That's my advice. Bit of a different scenery today. I've just dropped my oldest off at a friend's house. It's their birthday today, so my oldest is spending the day with them. So I thought I'd just come out and record a quick video. This is the third attempt. I've done 2 walking ones and neither of them came out with any sound. Well, one of them didn't record full stop. One of them came out with no sound. Just went to do another walking one and my gimbal, I think it's called, batteries run out. So I thought I'd just plonk the phone down and just sit down and have a chat. Just wanted to say thanks also, guys, for your support on this channel, for your comments, for your subscribing. And if there's anyone new out there that's watching this, my name's Kirky. I should have introduced myself at the beginning, but I'm still getting used to all this. And I just want to say thank you for watching to this point. You could like and subscribe if you've got anything out of this at all. And I hope you're having a lovely weekend, especially here in the UK. Weather's fine today. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Take care.